Did you know that AI agents can increase business productivity by up to 30% and reduce labor costs by up to 50%? This is because AI agents can automate repetitive tasks, provide 24/7 customer service, and analyze large amounts of data in real time. However, many business owners are unsure about how to implement AI agents in their business. In this video, we will explore the world of AI agents and provide a step-by-step guide on how to use them to automate your business.
Let's dive deeper into the world of AI agents. AI agents are computer programs that use artificial intelligence to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. They can be used to automate various aspects of your business, from customer service to data analysis. For example, you can use AI agents to respond to customer inquiries, analyze sales data, and even predict market trends. The key to using AI agents effectively is to identify areas of your business where tasks are repetitive or time-consuming and automate them using AI.
However, there is a controversy surrounding the use of AI agents in business. Some people argue that AI agents will replace human workers and lead to job losses. While it is true that AI agents can automate some tasks, they can also create new job opportunities in fields such as AI development, deployment, and maintenance. Moreover, AI agents can help businesses to become more efficient and competitive, which can lead to job creation in the long run. The key is to use AI agents in a way that complements human workers rather than replacing them.
So, what does the future hold for AI agents in business? As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see more sophisticated AI agents that can perform complex tasks and make decisions in real time. For example, AI agents may be used to predict market trends and make investment decisions, or to optimize supply chains and logistics. The possibilities are endless, and businesses that adopt AI agents early will have a competitive advantage in the market. Moreover, as AI agents become more ubiquitous, we can expect to see new business models and industries emerge that are based on AI technology.
In conclusion, AI agents have the potential to revolutionize the way we do business. By automating repetitive tasks, providing 24/7 customer service, and analyzing large amounts of data in real time, AI agents can increase productivity, reduce labor costs, and improve customer satisfaction. To get started with AI agents, you need to identify areas of your business where tasks are repetitive or time-consuming and automate them using AI. You can start by exploring AI tools and platforms that offer pre-built AI agents, such as chatbots and virtual assistants. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on AI and business automation.